Yes. Thank you for the confirmation. For whether my screen is visible. Yes. Thank you for the confirmation. And once again, welcome to the Infosys and congratulations for your offer. Mm. Folks, please make a note the email ID which is offer underscore extension at the rate of infosys.com. So if you have any valid reason which is mentioned in the PPT presentation, you can go for extension. And the first one will be the medical reason. So if you have any medical reason, so please you can go for the extension. So offer extension team will be get back to you with the relevant date of joining if they have. And if you have any active backlog pending with exam, pending with result. So if you have any active backlog pending exam and the result, you are not able to join Infosys organization. So you have to clear your examination if you want to join the organization. So if you have any active backlogs, pending exam, pending result, please drop an email to the offer underscore extension at the rate of infosys.com. And if you are planning to pursue your full-time higher education, or if you are currently pursuing your full-time masters or education, so you have to drop an email to the offer underscore extension at the rate of infosys.com. Or if you are residing abroad, so you are not able to join the Infosys. If you want to join the Infosys, you should be in India only. So if you are residing abroad, you have to drop an email to the Infosys offer underscore extension at the rate of infosys.com. And if you are not sure about joining Infosys, if you are dilemma whether you wants to join or not, so you have to go for extension. And if you are currently doing your dual employment, so please make a note if you guys serving your notice period, or if you have not resigned your current organization, or if you are doing your part-time or freelancing job also, you are not able to join the Infosys organization. You have to go
Hmm?
for an extension.
Meeting
So please make a note if you have any medical reason,
temporary
active backlogs or pending with exam, pending with
data
result,
feed.
or if you're currently planning to pursue your masters or studying your higher education, or if you guys are residing abroad. And also if you are not sure about
Huh?
joining Infosys, also you have to
ఇది
drop an email to the offer
పర్లే
underscore
మాట్లాడిన
extension at the rate of infosys.com. Or if you are currently serving notice period, or you guys are doing any dual employment, or if you have not resigned current organization, or you are doing part-time or freelancing job also, you are not able to join organization. So in this case, you guys can drop an email to the offer underscore extension at the rate of infosys.com. With if you have any valid reason, please connect with offer extension team, and they will get back to you. And as you know, the induction will be Mysore. So you guys have to come for the Mysore for the induction and for the training. There is no virtual induction. It will be physical onboarding, and you have to come for Mysore for the induction as well as training. During training, you have to be stay at the Infosys campus. And you might have already received offer letter. So if you have any corrections in your offer letter, so if you have any name correction, your date of birth correction, your address related correction, if you have in the offer letter, please drop an email to the offer underscore update at the rate of infosys.com. So once again, I'll repeat, if you have any name correction, your date of birth or address correction in the offer letter, please drop an email to the offer underscore update at the rate of infosys.com. Once you received the confirmation email from the offer update team, so then you have to forward same email to the infosys underscore lp campus at the rate of infosys.com. So then only we will make changes in the launchpad portal. So once again, I will repeat, if you have any correction in your offer letter, it might be your name, your date of birth, your address details. So you wants to make changes in this in the offer letter, please drop an email to the offer underscore update at the rate of infosys.com. So if you have received changes from the offer update team, so you have to forward same email to the infosys underscore lp campus at the rate of infosys.com. And while dropping an email, please share your candidate ID with the supportive document. So if you have not sent any supportive documents and if you have not mentioned your candidate ID, correction might be delayed. So instead of that, please share your candidate ID and the supportive document. And if you have any queries related to your onboarding and launchpad queries, you can drop an email to the infosys underscore lp campus at the rate of infosys.com. So you have to drop an email to the Infosys underscore LP campus at the rate of infosys.com if you have any queries related to onboarding and launchpad queries. So if you have any queries related to extension, you have to connect with the extension team itself. And if you have any correction, you have to drop an email to the offer underscore update at the rate of infosys.com. And if it is related to your launchpad, your onboarding, you have to drop an email to the Infosys underscore LP campus at the rate of infosys.com. Folks, you might have already received a Launchpad login credential from the team. So you will be receiving in two email. First email related to your username, another for your password. So you will be receiving an Launchpad credential for your personal mail ID and another for your password. So you have to log in to the Launchpad and you have to reset your password, and you have to start uploading and start filling the Launchpad. And you can log in your launchpad via mobile app also, and also you can log in through web link. So we will suggest you to log in through your web link, and that too from the laptop. So while if you have using launchpad from your mobile device, you might get error, or sometime you might get any glitch, technical glitch. So instead of that, please use your laptop, and that too from the web link. And you have already received Launchpad welcome email from the Launchpad team. So it includes three attachment. One is for pre-joining guidelines, another one is NIC hospitalist, and with the ICICI and Axis Bank opening guidelines. So please go through with pre-joining guidelines where they have clearly mentioned how to complete your launchpad formalities. So if you have go through with the launchpad joining guidelines, you almost your doubt will be resolved there itself. So they have clearly mentioned your launchpad completion. So you have to go through with the pre-joining guidelines for the launchpad completion. And another one is NIC hospital list. As you folks know, you have to get your medical certificate while coming to the Infosys campus, as it is mandatory. You have to get medical certificate from the NIC hospitalist only. And another one is ICICI and Axis Bank. So you have to open your bank account before your date of joining, and you have to update the details in the Launchpad portal. So these are the mandatory thing you have to complete it before your date of joining. And for the Launchpad login, the first page, the Launchpad page looks like this. So you have to enter all the mandatory details in the Launchpad. First, you have to fill your personal details, your family details in the Launchpad. So you have to fill your gender, your date of birth, and all your personal details. So it's mandatory to update all the details which is reflected in the Launchpad, and you have to update all the correct details in the Launchpad itself. So before submitting the Launchpad portal, please check it once or twice whether you have updated all the details correctly while updating the personal details as well. So we are getting few like so many emails related to their date of birth correction. So while updating the details, please check it once or twice whether you have updated all the details correctly. And you have to update your gender, your domicile status, your date of birth, your marital status, and nationality. If you have not mentioned any mandatory details, your Launchpad will not be complete. So please update all the mandatory details in the Launchpad portal. And after updating your personal details, you have to update your family details. It's mandatory. You have to provide your father or mother's name in the Launchpad portal. If you have not updated your family details, it won't take the completion button. So you have to update your family details in the Launchpad portal. And folks, if you have any disability details, you can go and update the details in the Launchpad. If you don't have any disability, you can ignore. If you have the disability, you have to update details in the Launchpad portal. And next tab will be the address part where you have to update address details without fail. So you will be having present address, permanent address, emergency address details. You have to update all the details accordingly. So you, like a few candidates will facing the emergency contact number while updating the Launchpad in the onboarding pass category. So if you have facing the same issue, please change and update the emergency contact number in the address details. Then it will take. And after updating all your personal details, you have to upload your educational document. So please go through with educational documents carefully. You have to upload all your educational documents. So you have to upload whatever the education you have done. You have to upload all the documents under the right category itself. So if you have done 10th, 12th, diploma, post graduation or graduation, you have to upload all the educational documents. So while uploading the documents, please check about the scanning quality. So while uploading the documents, the scan quality should be clear. And all the documents under right category itself. So, and for 10th and 12th, few institute will provide degree certificate. So once again, I'll repeat, few, for 10th and 12th, few institute will provide a degree certificate for the 10th and 12th. So if your school or college provided degree certificate for the 10th and 12th, you can upload, or else you can upload only 10th and 12th mark sheet in the Launchpad. If you do not have degree certificate, if you do not have 10th and 12th degree certificate for the 10th and 12th, you can ignore in the Launchpad. And only mark sheet is enough. Folks, you guys can give a confirmation whether my screen is visible or not. Yes, thank you. And for diploma, graduation, and post graduation, you will be having semester wise mark sheet, year wise mark sheet, or the consolidated mark sheet. So if you have like if your college provided consolidated mark sheet, So you can upload it under the consolidated category. Or if you have semester wise mark sheet or year wise mark sheet, you guys can select the category accordingly. And if you have uploaded semester wise mark sheet under the consolidated category or the vice versa, the document will not be accepted, it will be rejected. So while uploading the documents, please select the
పర్లేదు
proper drop
పర్లేదు
down
పర్లేదు
and upload the documents in the correct
మీటింగ్
category
లో ఉన్నాను.
itself.
పర్లేదు అక్కడ ఉంచుతాను.
And for the graduation, so if you have degree certificate and provisional certificate, you can upload both the document.
లైట్
Or
ఆపే.
if you do not have any one of the document, you have to upload either provisional certificate or degree certificate, as it is mandatory. If you have not uploaded any one of the document from provisional or degree certificate, so your launchpad will be incomplete. So that you have to upload all your educational mark sheets and with the degree certificate. And for both post graduation also, you have to upload your education, all the educational semester mark sheet and with the provisional or degree certificate. Hope this is clear. I'll repeat once again. You have to upload all your educational documents, including 10th, 12th, diploma if applicable, and graduation or post-graduation. While uploading the document, please check it once or twice whether you have uploaded all the documents under the right category itself. So while uploading the documents, please check about the scan quality. The scan quality should be clear for all your educational documents along with other documents. And also you have to upload all your educational documents under the right category itself. And if you are not able to update CGPA or SGPA, please check. You have to select out of 10 and whatever the CGPA you have like secured in the graduate education. So if you are not able to select CGPA or percentage, folks, here you are not able to convert CGPA into percentage or percentage into CGPA. Whatever the percentage of CGPA, you have to update in the Launchpad. Or if you are not able to update, no need to worry about that. We will check it, the document, and we will update the same. And if you have any gaps more than 3 months, you have to fill gap details in the Launchpad. So if you have more than 3 months of gaps between your education, you have to update the gap details in the Launchpad. If you do not have gap, you can skip the tab. And apart from your educational documents, what are the other document is mandatory is NSR, passport, PAN card, your medical certificate, and self declaration. So here for NSR registration, so please go through with the pre-joining guidelines where we have updated like how can you guys register for the NSR. So you have to register for yourself to the NSR. So you have to upload your NSR card along with IT pin and you have to upload your NSR card from the NSR portal itself. You have uploaded any messages, screenshot or email screenshot from the NSR team, the document, we cannot accept the document. And for passport, you have to upload your both front and back page of the passport. The front page will be your personal details along with your photo, and the back page will be your address part. So you have to upload all the documents under the correct category itself. And for PAN card, you have to upload major PAN card only, that too with the signature. And another one is medical certificate. You have to submit your medical certificate without fail. And we have to get medical certificate from the NIC hospital list. Please check your welcome emails. And we have already mentioned from where and which hospital you guys can get medical certificate. And if you have any self-declaration form related to your educational documents, you have to fill your self-declaration where you have to mention your candidate ID, your date of joining, and with the signature. And I'll repeat once again, you have to, other than your educational documents, you have to upload your NSR card, passport, PAN card, medical certificate, and the self-declaration. So you have to register your NSR card yourself by giving all the details. And for passport, you have to upload your front and back page of the passport. Front page will be your personal details along with your photo, your date of birth, and with the signature. And for the back page you have to upload the address part of the passport. And PAN card you have to upload a major PAN card only, that too with the signature. And for medical certificate, you folks have to get medical certificate from the NIC hospital list. And for self declaration, if you have any pending educational documents, you have to upload, and you have to submit medical declaration form. So for self declaration, you have to update your candidate ID, your signature, and the pending document. And folks, you can take a look here. So you have to upload your NSR. So you have like this will be the template or the example where you can upload the document. So here, as for the image, it should in the NSR card, it will be your photo and your name and with the IT pin number, which is include 12 digit of number. So you have to update your enrollment number, IT pin number, and you have to upload the NSR card in the Launchpad. And for the passport, you have to upload both front page and the back page. So where front page will be your personal details, and the back page will be the address details. And for PAN card, folks, you have to upload major PAN card with signature. So if you have uploaded minor PAN card or without signature, and the DigiLocker PAN card, if you have uploaded, the document will not be accepted. You have to remove and you have to upload the correct PAN card in the Launchpad. And few candidates uploaded incorrect documents in the Launchpad, which is not considered. So folks, please check, do not upload these kind of documents in the Launchpad. And for the nominee details, you have to provide where you can select nominee details. So if you guys are choosing your parents, so you can give 50-50%, out of 100 you can give 50-50, or whatever the percentage you want to give, you can give to the nominee details, and you have to update details in the nominee part. And once you uploaded all the documents, so your badge will be view. So you have to check whether you have uploaded all the documents in the Launchpad. So if you have uploaded all the document and post confirmation itself, the badge will be visible. As already told, if you are facing emergency contact number in the badge part, so you have to update the emergency contact number in the emergency address details. Then only it will reflect. And after uploading all your educational documents and other documents in the Launchpad, one of the mandatory part you have to do is that is statutory acknowledgement. Make a note, you have to acknowledge statutory point without fail. If you have not acknowledged your statutory form, so your employee ID will not be generated. To create your employee ID, to generate your employee ID, you have to acknowledge statutory form. So where you have to read all the points and you have to just acknowledge. And after uploading, updating all the details in the Launchpad and acknowledging the statutory tab, so you have to click on complete your Launchpad tab mandatorily. So then only your Launchpad will complete. So after clicking on complete your Launchpad, few hours later, the PDF form will be generated. That is for your reference. So if you guys find any minor correction in the generated PDF forms, make sure if you have updated all the details correctly. If it is reflecting any few incorrect details in the generated form, you can ignore. The generated form is only for your reference. And you guys, you have to register for NATS, BOPT, both are the same. So those who are NATS is applicable only for the BE and BTech students. So those who have completed BE and BTech, they can register for NATS, and it's a mandatory part. You have to register for NATS, and you have to upload NATS document in the Launchpad portal. So if you want to get clarification whether you guys are eligible or not, please visit NATS portal. So once you update your passing year, it will shows whether you are eligible or not. NATS is applicable only for BE and BTech. So while registering NATS, you have to provide your bank details. So you can give any of the bank details which is contain your name. And you guys make a note for this email ID. So if you have any concern related to onboarding and LP related, you can drop an email to the offer_LPcampus@infosys.com. And if you want to go for extension, or if you have any queries related to your extension DOJ, you have to drop an email to the offer_extension@infosys.com. And if you have any corrections in your offer letter in the Launchpad, you have to drop an email to the offer_update@infosys.com. Once you received a confirmation from the offer update team, with you have to forward the same email to the Infosys_LP campus@infosys.com. And if you have any queries related to NATS registration, you can drop an email to the infi.nats@gmail.com or infi@bopter.gov.in or nats support_student@aicte-india.organization. And if you have any queries related to NSR registration, please drop an email to the nsr_infosys@infosys.com or nsr@nsdl.com. And still, if you have any queries, you can connect with the HR help desk, which is 809-550-6913. Apart from this, you guys are joining as a system engineer, you will be having doubt related to service agreement. So please make a note, you do not have any separate service agreement. So you have to upload your offer letter in the Launchpad portal. So your offer letter itself, your service agreement, where you have to upload your offer letter with annexure 1, 2, 3, 4, with signing all the pages. So signature should be available in the all the pages, including annexure 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to upload your offer letter under the service agreement category. So I will clear once again. For system engineer, you have to upload your offer letter with annexure 1, 2, 3, 4 with signature, and you have to upload your offer letter under service agreement category. You do not have any separate service agreement. So hope service agreement and other part is clear in this. And if you have any doubts related to accommodation, no need to worry about that. If you have completed your Launchpad joining formalities, you will be receiving the email shortly. So accommodation will be taken care by the organization. So you do not worry about the accommodation part. So if you have any doubts, please you guys can ping in the chat box. Folks, if you have uploaded any irrelevant document, or if you have uploaded incorrect document in the Launchpad, you can drop an email to the Infosys_LP campus@infosys.com, and which document you want to re-upload the document. So we will reject the document, we will get back to you. And for medical certificate, please check with the pre-joining guidelines where we have mentioned what kind of medical test you have to go for. And if you have any correction in the document, please drop an email to the offer underscore update at the rate of infosys.com. And folks, you have to upload and you have to complete your launchpad by today, end of the day, or tomorrow, end of the day, without fail. So if you have not completed your launchpad by tomorrow, end of the day, we won't give any confirmation. And also, until and unless getting joining confirmation from the team, do not plan your travel. So post verifying the document and post formalities only, you will be receiving an email that too prior to your date of joining, then only you have to travel. So if you have not received any joining confirmation email from the team, do not travel. So if you have folks traveled without any joining confirmation, so if you coming for the Mysore, we are not the responsible person. So please wait for the joining confirmation and then only you guys can make a plan for your travel. And if you have not completed your launchpad also, we won't give any confirmation. So please upload all your educational document by tomorrow end of the day without fail. So if you have missed with any one of the document also, you won't get any confirmation email. And one of the main point, so if you guys are serving notice period, so you have to go for extension, or if you guys currently working and if you have completed your last working day before your date of joining also, you have to submit your LWD confirmation through email. So in the future, if you guys caught while doing any dual employment and all, so you have to faces consequences from the organization. So you are the own responsible person for the. And dual education it is showing where does we submit BOPT. Sanyam, if you are eligible for BOPT or not, NATS, you have to register for NATS, and you have to upload the document. And if you have UAN card, yes, you can upload it in the Launchpad. If you do not have UAN card, you can ignore. So you have to complete your Launchpad by tomorrow, end of the day, without fail. And if you have uploaded incorrect document in the Launchpad, please drop an email to the LP campus team. So we will get back to you. So if you have any corrections related to Launchpad also, please drop an email to the offer_update at the rate of infosys.com. And folks, for address related correction, only candidates can modify their address details. So we are not able to modify your address details. So you have to drop an email to the offer update team and post that you can modify or you can edit your address details in the Launchpad. So if you have left your organization, please share your LWD confirmation email to via email. Folks, if you have completed all the mandatory part, if it is still showing 10 by 12 or 11 by 12, please check it once or twice. So if you have uploaded mandatory documents, if it is still showing 12 by 11 by 12, you can ignore. No need to worry about that. And few candidates are facing duplicate entries in the educational documents. Folks, if you guys are facing dual entry or duplicate entry for the educational documents, you can ignore. Make sure you will upload all the educational documents in the Launchpad. No need to worry about the duplication details in the Launchpad. If you have not registered for NSR, please go and register for the NSR card. For medical certificate, if you wants to mention your employee ID, you as of now you can leave it blank. So on that during induction, you can mention the employee ID. And if you have any doubt related to bank account opening, no need to worry about that. Today, sorry, tomorrow or Monday, you will be having bank session where you can get clarify about bank related concern. And for few folks are facing a NATS related concern. So if you have facing NATS, you are not able to update the NATS details, NATS enrollment number, no need to worry about that. Like you can submit physical document during induction. Yes, if you have consolidated mark sheet, please go and upload the consolidated mark sheet in the Launchpad. Folks, I'm going to unmute yourself. Hope you guys will ask one by one. If you guys ask the question at a time, I'm not going to address your queries. So if you have any repeated queries, so you can ignore. So if please raise your hand, I'll pick a person and I'll ask their queries.
Hello. Hello.
Santosh, Chirupalli Santosh, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, there are duplicate education details, right?
Yeah, that's what now itself I
Yeah,
have
but
cleared. If you guys are facing duplicate entries, you can ignore.
yeah, till now I did not submit my Launchpad, but I am unable to submit it. Right?
You have you uploaded the documents?
Yeah, I have uploaded, but I did not click on complete Launchpad.
Why? Is there any particular reason?
Yeah, it is showing fill your education details. It is showing twice right now.
Ma'am, can we upload double education documents?
Okay, Santosh, please wait. The team is working on it. Anyway, you just drop an email to the LP campus team. So we'll get back to you once the issue is resolved. So we'll get back to you. Okay, we'll give
Ma'am,
update on the same.
ma'am,
Yeah,
can
Yes,
we upload
Abhishek.
double education
Documents
documents?
got vanished.
What document?
Educational documents.
Have you uploaded the documents? Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, someone
Hello,
told
ma'am.
that the document has been vanished. Can you please speak up? Okay,
Hello.
wait. Prasad,
Ma'am,
Hello.
please.
I am not
Prasad,
able to edit my in date in 12th exam, and I mailed regarding
yeah, if you
I
have
mailed
dropped an
regarding
email
many
to
times.
the Launchpad, na, please wait. Like we are receiving like emails from the
I got update
candidates, so
from
we
update
have to
Infosys team
work.
and forward that mail to LP campus,
Yeah,
and
please wait. Today, every day we will be receiving more than 1,000 emails from the candidates.
did not get
We
update.
have to
Today,
respond. So we
and
will
today and tomorrow is
get
the
back
last
to
date
you.
to submit that. What I do, ma'am?
No issues. You can go and upload the documents if you have any correction. So like it won't be effect.
Ma'am, today
Hello,
is
ma'am.
last day, so we can upload double education documents.
Yeah, you can go and upload the document. No need to worry about that.
So,
But it's
we
not
can
taking.
submit, ma'am.
Upload twice
Yeah,
is
yes, you
right,
can.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Ujjwal, please go ahead.
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
No. You cannot share your screen. Yes,
Hello.
Shubham.
Last
Ma'am.
working day email ID.
Shubham Chapade.
Ma'am,
Folks,
what
please
about
wait. I'll pick a person and I'll address your queries. So
but
if you
ma'am?
have a mute,
Hello, ma'am. What about the last working day mail ID? Over which mail ID
Hello,
we
ma'am.
need to mail
for LP
regarding
campus
last work?
itself. So for
Hello,
LP
ma'am.
Campus.
campus, you can drop an email.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, may I know who's this?
Hello, ma'am. I
Ma'am,
complete my
Prasad here.
launchpad. Hello.
Wait. Supriyo, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I complete my Launchpad details, and then Launchpad generated some of my PDFs, and in that PDF, one PDF is document checklist PDF, and here is my diploma details, like my diploma college name and marks are not visible on that
Yeah, that's what
on PDF.
Supriyo. I have told that if you have updated all the details correctly in the Launchpad, so if you like in the PDF form, if is there any slight difference or slight mistake, you can ignore. The
Okay, okay,
generated
ma'am.
form is only for your reference.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am,
Shubham Chapade.
hello,
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am,
In the in the pending tab, the work experience is pending.
Ma'am,
Yeah, folks, you guys are joining us as a fresher. So,
Yeah,
like, if you have work experience also, it won't consider. So, you have to
but
select the work
in the
experience
pending
tab.
tab, it's showing like
No, no, you can ignore and or else you can drop an email to the LP campus team.
yes,
ma'am,
ma'am. Yesterday I
ma'am,
created
Hello, ma'am.
to the LP,
Yeah,
Ma'am.
no need to worry about the work
but it's not
experience
at all
tab. You guys
updating.
ma'am,
then
Hello,
just
ma'am.
drop an email to the
hello,
Launchpad.
ma'am, if I did not get
Showing 11 by
successfully, I
12.
mailed them,
What?
but they did not reply, ma'am.
Folks,
Regarding
please wait. As I told
indirect
that
change in
every day
12th
we are
exam.
receiving but like more than 1,000 emails from the candidates. So we have to respond. So please wait or else you can drop like follow-up
Ma'am,
email.
today or tomorrow is the last date.
Hello,
What
ma'am.
I have to do, ma'am? I'm not able to edit the end date. Can
See,
I
I told no,
go with the same day exam day?
you can go and upload the documents. If there any correction, like we can make it later. So
Hello,
please
ma'am.
go and upload the documents.
Hello, ma'am.
This agreement
ma'am,
Can you hear me?
we up.
Ma'am, I have a question.
We have to upload our education details now. I have filled my
Ma'am, I have a
Please
question.
go
I
and
have
fill.
already generated. Hello, ma'am. Hello,
If you
ma'am.
guys speak at a time, I'm not going to address
Hello,
any of
ma'am.
the
Can you
queries.
hear me?
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please
Wait, guys.
talk one by one.
Launchpad, we have to upload education documents. Okay, I had
Folks,
filled
please
all
go
my.
and mute. I'll pick a person and you guys can ask one by one. So if you like, if anyone asks the question, if you listen carefully, then only you will get to know, is it? At a time, you guys are speaking, how can we address? So please wait. Yes, Sahil?
Hello, ma'am. So in educational details, we have to select percentage and CGPA option. So there is only percentage option which is already selected. We cannot, we are unable to select CGPA option. So,
No need, no issues, Sahil. So
so
we'll
we
fill
have
the
to just
document manually.
fill our credit. We can also fill our credit score there.
Yeah, you can fill. If you are not able to fill your credit score, you can ignore. We'll check it manually and we'll verify the document. No need to worry about
Okay,
that.
okay. And ma'am, there is one more question. About BOPT form, we are
Okay.
unable to download that BOPT form. They are asking to authenticate Launchpad.
Correct.
So,
First, you have to authenticate your Launchpad. Like you have to click after uploading the document. You have to click complete your Launchpad tab, and then only the document will be downloaded.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am.
Shamit Patil.
हाँ मैम मैं
Shamit
बोल रहा था
Patil.
मैं यस यस मैम मैं समित पटेल बात कर रहा हूँ
Okay.
मैम हमें एग्रीमेंट में जो एट द टाइम ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग नोटरी
Okay.
वगैरह करनी पड़नी है क्या
What?
एट द टाइम ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग
Okay.
उनने प्री ज्वाइनिंग में लिखा है ना कि सर्विस एग्रीमेंट
Samid, I told that you do not have any service agreement. So you have to upload your offer letter in the Launchpad portal with annexure 1, 2, 3, 4. And also you have to make signature.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
please speak the question, ma'am.
hello,
I have
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Wait.
Hello.
ma'am,
Samid, I
Hello.
hope the service agreement part is clear. Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am,
Ujjwal?
please.
yes,
Hello.
hello,
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Prasad.
hello,
Ujjwal.
yes, ma'am. My doubt is that is medical certificate that we have mentioned that should be in format.
Okay, yes.
So, my medical certificate is slightly different. So, is it okay?
So that whatever the in the certificate they have mentioned in the test, if they have done with all the test, you can upload and you can get the medical certificate. we can
Okay.
consider. And Vaishnavi, please go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. I have a doubt on ID Brigade preview. There is a one emergency contact number on that, but I can't edit that.
And that's what, please go and update your emergency contact number in the address details. So once you update your address details, your emergency contact number in the address details, it will reflect correctly.
Okay,
Please
and
go and update.
one
Hello,
more, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
please,
Hello, ma'am.
yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Folks,
Hello.
please wait.
Hello,
Still
ma'am.
she is asking, no?
Ma'am, one more. Is it necessary to upload the both the 12th mark sheet and degree mark sheet, or it is enough for only the 12th mark sheets?
Like, see, if you have degree certificate for 10th and 12th, you can go and upload, or else if you do not have degree certificate for the 10th and 12th, only mark sheet is enough.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And Raman, please go ahead.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Hello.
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 Ma'am, I uploaded
Hello.
this service agreement with
मध्ये जा
notary.
आणि तिथे ते ऍड्रेस डिटेल्स नीट कर.
Folks, please wait. Someone is asking for the incorrect document they have uploaded under service category, service agreement. If you have uploaded service agreement in the Launchpad, now please drop an email to the Launchpad team. So you have to replace with your offer letter.
Ma'am, you talked
Hello,
about
ma'am.
LWD confirmation email, ma'am.
Yes.
So to which email it should be sent?
lpcampus@infosys.com.
From our HR to Infosys email, ma'am.
Yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Hello,
you.
ma'am.
Priya, please go ahead. Priya GS.
Hello, ma'am.
So, ma'am, it was about the LWD confirmation email. So it should be sent from our HR to Infosys_LPcampus@infosys.com, ma'am.
Correct.
Ma'am, to when it should be sent before prior to the joining?
Yes, before your date of joining.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
That
Hello,
too,
ma'am.
like by Monday or Tuesday, you have to submit.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay,
And
ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am.
Hello.
yes, and Abhishek Sona Kula, please go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. My concern regarding to the medical certificates, you have shared the one Google Sheet NSE. So in the sheet, you didn't mention the Hyderabad locations hospital list.
See, in the Hyderabad, whatever the hospital they have mentioned, you have to get medical certificate from there.
Okay, fine. And one more thing is the service agreement 2A and 3T, we can replace with the office letter, right?
Yes, you have to select 3T category and you have to upload your offer letter. So if you have any queries related to service agreement, I'm just, it's the last time I'm clearing. You have to upload your offer letter with annexure 1, 2, 3 with your signature. It's mandatory. So no more questions related to service agreement. Yeah, thank you. And
Hello, ma'am.
Raghu,
Hello,
please
ma'am. Excuse me, I didn't receive any NSR card. Hello, ma'am.
Raghu, please go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I have a different address in my offer letter, which was at that time when I was pursuing my graduation. So it was not at that time.
Yeah,
But
please drop an
currently,
email to the offer underscore
currently
update at
I
the rate
have
of
updated with the Launchpad. I have entered my current, which is like present address. So is it necessary to I need to update in the offer letter too?
Yes, correct. You have to drop an email to the offer update team, and once the correction is done, they will send updated offer letter for correction. So you can upload the updated one. Meanwhile, you can upload the correct offer letter, current offer letter in the portal. Okay.
Oh,
Ma'am, please speak my
Hello,
name.
ma'am.
Yes, Manikanta, please.
Hello.
Till now, I didn't receive NSR card. What should I do?
So once you received NSR card, please go. You can upload before your date of joining. Make sure you will upload your educational documents by tomorrow end of the day without fail.
Yeah, ma'am. But
Hello, ma'am.
and also,
Hello, ma'am.
hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
And what about
Hello,
the
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
BOCT form I'm having 11 by 12 launchpad? Upload or not?
Folks, I told that if you have uploaded all the mandatory document, if it's still it's showing 12 out of 10, 12 out of 11, so once check, please wait.
Yeah, please tell me.
Those who are speaking, please go and mute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Hello,
am
ma'am.
Shubham.
Please wait.
Ma'am, ma'am, in my 10th standard, there is a wrong name mentioned in university or bold name. Then how I am unable to edit it, then how it will be corrected?
So I told you many times, if you have any correction in your offer letter, your Launchpad, please drop an email to the Launchpad team. So we will get back to you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello,
My
ma'am.
last question is
Yeah,
20
hi,
on
ma'am.
is
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about the
Hello,
day
ma'am.
Hello,
that
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
upload or not?
That's related.
Madam, 11 by 12.
Hello, ma'am.
No more question about
Ma'am,
11 by 12. We have already cleared
Hello,
that.
ma'am.
Hello,
ma'am,
ma'am.
is it
Hello, ma'am.
mandatory to
I have
upload
doubts
NSR
regarding
ID card?
PAN card and NATS ID, ma'am.
Folks, please wait. So NSR card is mandatory. You have to upload it in the Launchpad. So for NSR card, you will be having time till your date of joining. Okay.
Okay, how can we get
You
NSR
have
card?
to register for yourself. Please go
Yeah,
through.
I registered
Hello.
and I received
Hello.
NS IT pin also.
Then wait for the NSR card. No.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
in
have
the
doubt about
Launchpad, we have
details.
filled our
Hello, ma'am.
education documents. I had filled all my details and uploaded relevant documents. But when I logged in yesterday, my all data from education documents has vanished, ma'am, and it has duplicated then. What can I
Can you
do now,
please
ma'am?
drop an email to the LP campus email? So with the screenshot, we'll get back to you.
Hello.
Ma'am, my
Hello,
documents
ma'am.
got vanished, ma'am.
Ma'am,
When
20
I
This
reached
was
has
upload,
Ajay Wardre. I'm talking with you. So if your documents got vanished, please drop an email to the LP campus team with a screenshot. So we'll check and get back to you. Okay?
okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
my
Hello,
query is
ma'am. I
about
have a doubt
Actually,
regarding
my query
We have
related PAN
only
card
4 minutes
and NATS
left.
ID,
If you
ma'am.
have any doubts, please go and ask. If you have guys asking repeatedly, I'm not going to address
Ma'am,
any of the
ma'am,
concerns.
medical
Hello, ma'am.
certificate is
Actually, I
mandatory,
have
ma'am.
instant
PAN
PAN
card
card.
and
Hello.
NATS ID, ma'am.
Ma'am, hi ma'am, Tanuja this side.
Hello, ma'am.
Tanumati, Lakshmi, please go ahead. Apart from
Ma'am,
Tanumati, no one is ask any questions.
ma'am, I'm Lakshmi Naga Sai Prasanna. In Launchpad, I am getting error, ma'am.
What is
While
the error?
education details, ma'am, while clicking to provide the education details, it redirected to next page, ma'am. I didn't fill the 10th inter BTech certificate. While
Okay,
I
do one.
mailed to offer letter, you give in mail, no, ma'am. There is no response, ma'am.
So
What
if
can
you
I
have
do?
any if you are getting any error in the Launchpad, you have to drop an email to the Infosys_LP campus at the rate of Infosys.com, not for the updating.
Ma'am,
Hello.
I already updated to Infosys. You
Yeah,
said no,
please
ma'am.
wait.
Now.
Please wait. We will be get back to you. Okay. Hope you
Okay,
have shared the
okay, ma'am.
screenshot. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I have both
upload only
uh,
Ma'am,
NATS
I have a
card.
doubt regarding
certificate
the.
and
Upload
provisional
ma'am.
Hello,
certificate.
ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
I
Tanuja,
have
please go
uploaded.
ahead. Apart
Hello,
from
ma'am.
Tanuja, no
We
one
dance
is.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
BTech
Thank
PC
you,
in
ma'am.
place of diploma PC. How
Guys,
can
just a
we
second.
solve?
Guys, just a second. I'm so sorry. Ma'am, my question is, there are participants who have completed the Launchpad long back, but we haven't received any mail from Infosys stating you have to re-upload, or this is a correct document. So when can we get that confirmation that we have done correctly, or is
Tanuja, if you folks are uploaded all the documents, you won't get any completed status from the Launchpad team. So if you have not completed the document is rejected, then only you will be getting an email for the rejection. So if you have uploaded all the documents correctly, you won't get any email. And for the confirmation, you have to wait for the for joining confirmation, you have to wait. So if you think you have uploaded all the documents and if you have received onboarding pass, so please folks make a note, onboarding pass is not the final confirmation. So we will be rolling out joining confirmation email before your date of joining. Until then, you have to wait for the confirmation email. Tanuja, is this clear?
Ma'am. Hello,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
When can we
Ma'am, I
expect
have
it,
a
ma'am? Like
doubt.
prior to 1 week
Hello.
or 5 days?
Hello, ma'am.
My doubt
Prior
is only
to
about NATS,
4 days
ma'am.
or
Hello,
3
ma'am.
days. So you have to wait.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
My
I
Thank you.
doubt
have
is about
both
NATS.
certificate and provisional certificate, but I have uploaded only degree certificate. Do I have to upload provisional certificate also?
Rohit, I told that either degree or provisional certificate is mandatory. If you have both the document, please go and upload. Or
Ma'am,
else,
can
Ma'am,
we
I
do?
have already updated
Ma'am,
in
I
the
have completed my
Launchpad
final
Hello.
exam in
ma'am,
September, but it's
certificate
showing June.
with degree certificate
Will be
only.
there any issue?
see if you have both degree and provisional, please go and upload. If you have any one of the document, is fine.
Ma'am,
Hello,
can
I'm
you
ma'am.
fill
having
the
one
double
more doubt,
education
ma'am.
section?
Ma'am, I'm Swarshla.
Otherwise, the launchpad is not
Hello,
submittable.
ma'am. I'm Pravati.
Ma'am, this is
So,
Super Sam.
we are
Please
running out
upload
of
medical
time.
certificate
So,
after
if
Hello,
you
submitting.
ma'am.
have any queries
Ma'am,
related to
Hello, ma'am.
Launchpad, please drop an
Hello,
email to
ma'am.
the infosys_lpcampus at the rate of infosys.com.
ma'am, give a
Ma'am,
few
I
days.
have one last
Ma'am,
question. Ma'am, that the
I
launchpad is
Some
showing the
max
same
website.
status
The
as
email
the
completed NAT details, but
I am unable
doesn't
to
get completed status from the launchpad.
ma'am, give
What should I
10 times.
do?
Ma'am, I have dropped the email to Infosys LP campus, but I did not get any response from there. But
Completed NATs tab,
please
but also it shows
match,
incomplete,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Shravan, please wait. If you have dropped, if you have already dropped an email to the LP campus team, we will get back to you. Okay.
Ma'am, my doubt is only about NAT, ma'am.
What is the doubt?
Ma'am, I had created the NATS ID, but when I am uploading it, it's showing that there should be a 12 numbers
That's
mandatory,
what I
ma'am.
told you. If you're not able to update the NATS details or enrollment number in the Launchpad, you can ignore. So you guys can submit physical document during the induction time.
Ma'am, but at last when we are typing on completed Launchpad, it's showing that your NATS is incomplete, ma'am.
It's okay. If you have uploaded all the mandatory educational documents, it's fine.
Yeah, ma'am,
So,
those documents are been completed, ma'am.
see, if you're not able to upload the documents, how can it possible? So please wait. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. If
You can submit it joining time as well.
okay, ma'am,
Please
NATS
keep
can
ready
be
with the document. That's it.
NATS can be submitted on joining date, ma'am.
Yes, if you are not able to upload,
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
then it's fine. Okay, folks, thank you. Thank you for your time. And once again, congratulations for your offer and see you in Mysore. And on last point, please wait for the joining confirmation email until and unless getting an joining confirmation email. Do not plan for your travel. So once you received a post confirmation from the joining, like from the team, you can make a plan on your travel. So still, if you have any doubt related to your launchpad, please drop an email to the infosys_lpcampus at the rate of infosys.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Walk the name.